Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make steak and potato stir fry. We use a New York strip, about 12 ounces. So we're going to cut it little chunk, like that. You can cut it if you want it smaller or you want bigger, that's fine. Doesn't make no difference. Okay, and there's a stick here. We try to put a little salt on it, just a little bit salt in it, and some black pepper. So you just mix them up. A little bit of oil in it too. Like that. Okay. Then we put some oil in it. And we want to brown them up. Brown it on all four sides of it. Depend on how you want them. You can cook it well done or you can make it medium and depend on how you like it. Yeah, I kind of make it a medium. So see, okay, then you can see it's browning up pretty good. So you just turn it over, other side. See, they're pretty brown right now. See? They look pretty good. So you keep cooking. They're pretty thick, so you need to, now it's medium rare, so you have to cook a little bit longer by touching it, Yeah, I think they're pretty good. Because they will keep cooking, so we better keep them up. You just cook them up. So we're gonna put the gingers and the garlic, 1 teaspoon. You can brown them up, and also the onion. Put the potato in it too. We use about 2 medium-sized potatoes, and you want to brown them up. You can see they're browning up, and also you want to cook them down a little bit, so the inside here. So you have to using a medium heat. Okay, then we're gonna put a couple. We're gonna put the 2 cooking wine in it. 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. You can see the color of the potato are kind of turning little deeper color. That means they're cooking. But it will take a few more minutes to do that. Okay, it take a few minutes to cook this down, and you can use a fork to kind of push one in. You know, you can see that it going in or not. See, you know, go in and it's cooked. So we're gonna put the beef in, the steak in, and also we're gonna put two tablespoons of oyster sauce and some pepper and some sesame seed oil. Also some onion, green onion, and half tablespoon of sugar. I think that's it, then it's done. Okay, this is potato stick stir fry.